Alright, and welcome back to Learning to Draw, episode 12, where we will be doing lesson 15 of You Can Draw in 30 Days, the contour tubes. I'm sorry if you hear a bunch of noise in the background. It is currently raining. It's been raining, and we've been dealing with high winds between 20 to with gusts of 55 miles an hour. So I will try to edit the noise out the best I can, but it's just been like that all week. So we're actually going to start with a little cube up here just to kind of give us directions. A little directional cube so we can see northeast, southeast, all that. It doesn't have to be too good. So we now know these are the two lines that we're going to be using. So we're going to come down here. Following this line, we're going to come up and down here and just make a straight-ish line. And from our dot up here, we are going to create a bit of a circle. This is actually a lesson I have struggled with. I've done this about a half a dozen times. I've just never been real good with this. So if you do bad, if yours doesn't look good, it's probably still going to look better than mine. Kind of want it a little bit of an egg shaped. And see, as you can see, I struggle a lot with this. Touch up. Okay. So now that we got our circle on our line, what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to shoot it down, but we want to kind of temper it so we can hook a curve to the end of it. So let's just go ahead and do that, and then down. Let's give it a little bit more of a curve. If we give it a little more of a curve, it'll look a little better. There we go. Alright, so now what we will do is we're actually going to be creating a bunch of lines, and we're going to try to curve them a little more each time. I will go ahead and fast forward through this, but we're going to do this all the way down. So with that, I will be back after I finish this. Alright, and now that we're done with that, we are actually going to do the same thing. This is a fairly short lesson on the inside, where we will start up here and we will curve a line, then in, and we want a little bit more of a curve each time we go. There we go. Okay, now that we got our tube set up, all we got left to do now is a little bit of shading. So what we will actually be doing is using our line going this way. We want to shade over here a little. Just go ahead and actually color that in now. Going straight down this way. We want to curve it up here so it looks like the tube is hollowed, and we want to curve it this way, and we want to all the way down. So with that, we will do the shading, and that will actually wrap up today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this. If you followed along, I hope you've learned something. With that, since all we have left to do is shading, I will fast forward through this if you would like to continue. Otherwise, have a great day.